Hey everybody, I'm answering the question today, when do patents become part of the public domain? I am JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. I've helped inventors, over 1,000 inventors, help protect their inventions over the years. Been at this for 10 years, getting over 300 patents granted as of today. I'm excited to be with you here today and talk about this question about patenting and when you actually get to use them, when the rest of us get to have access to these inventions when they become part of the public domain. So let's get to it. Patents are limited. We've been talking about this. You've been watching some of these videos I've been doing on expiration. And that's exactly the point, when they become part of the public domain. And what is this business about the public domain? Well, what does that really even mean? For anyone that hasn't heard of that term, it really just means anyone, you, me, someone down the street, your neighbor, someone else, a scientist, engineer, anyone in the industry, you're allowed to use that invention freely. In other words, you can go about it, sell it in the marketplace without any fear of being, caught, if you will, as an infringer, because that patent has expired. The end of the enforceable period is over, and now you can use it as part of the public domain. Now, we've talked about patent duration. It's important to understand that too. Is the patent holder for a design patent, it's 15 years. For a utility patent, it's 20 years. After that period of time, and it's expired, now it is part of the public domain. Now, one interesting thing to add here, and I want to make this clear, that yes, in general, when a patent is expired, done with its life, it's true that you can practice. Anyone from the community, like I said, can use the invention without fear of infringing. But in most cases, a patent holder has not only just one patent for their invention. If they're wise, they'll have developed a whole portfolio of patents, usually 3, 4, 5 patents that are called child patents of the single parent one. And what I mean by that is they have gone after additional scopes of right, more, claims than the parent initially got. So while the first patent may have expired, there is likely a second, third, or more patent that still has more life. So if you're watching the clock and you're trying to see if one patent has already been expired, you're ready to go to market, be very careful. I think it's wise for you to go seek counsel to see, hey, here's what I'm planning to sell. I know there's this other patent out there. Are there other patents I need to be worried about because I'm changing my design, or it's going to be sold in this way or following this method? That's a great question to ask. And that is what's called a freedom to operate opinion. Meaning, am I free to operate? Am I free to sell, make this product in the country or even outside the US without major risks of being infringing on someone else's enforceable patent rights? So if your invention or what you're selling in the marketplace is even a little bit different from that invention that you're saying is now expired and part of the public domain, you should still check in with an attorney to see if that is the right product. Make sure they're not going to be stepping on anyone's toes to avoid that nasty cease and desist letter or have to be subject to damages, royalty payments, all sorts of other negative aspects. All right. So this has been our little chat today. If this has been insightful and you want to take another action, I've included a link below to a Inventor kit. This kit is going to have a lot of information for you, including a free PDF download of my book, Bold Ideas, The Inventor's Guide to Patents, as well as our Bold Patent Success Matrix, all your options on patent searching and patent applications as well. So take a look at that. It's free. Follow the link below to get action, to take action on and get that Bold Inventors Kit. I'm JD Houvener, patent attorney here with Bold Patents Law Firm. Have a great day, everybody. Go big, go bold.